I am Jack.
I am Emma. Before we begin, if you want to speak English confidently and enjoy real conversations, please follow and share this podcast.
And not forget to stay until the end, because today's discussion might change the way you think about life.
Today's topic is a little emotional, a little deep, and maybe even a little confusing.
Yes, because today we're asking a big question that does not have one simple answer.
I like questions like this because they make us think.
So, here is the question. What is more important in life? Love, money, honor, or fame?
That is a very big question, and everyone may have a different answer.
Before we go deeper, a quick request. If this podcast helps you learn English and think about life, please follow and share it.
Because today is not only about English, it's also about understanding life and yourself.
Emma, let me ask you first. If you had to choose only one, what would you choose?
That is very difficult, but I think I would choose love.
That's interesting. Why do you choose love?
Because without love, everything else feels empty and meaningless.
That is a deep answer.
You can have money, fame, and success, but if you feel lonely, it doesn't feel valuable.
That is true. Love gives meaning to life.
But Jack, let me challenge you. What if someone has love but no money?
That is a real situation because money is very important in today's world.
Yes, without money, life can become very stressful.
People worry about food, bills, and basic needs.
So, are you saying money is the most important thing?
I am not saying it is the most important, but I am saying it is necessary.
That is a good point, because money gives comfort and stability.
Yes, and it also gives freedom in life.
But can money really give happiness?
Not directly, but it can remove stress from life.
So maybe money doesn't create happiness, but it supports it.
I like that idea.
Now let's talk about fame.
Yes, fame is very popular in today's world.
Many people want followers, attention, and social media popularity.
But is fame really important in life?
I don't think so, because fame is external.
What do you mean by external?
It depends on what other people think about you.
So it is not fully under your control.
Yes, and fame can disappear very quickly.
Today, people know you, and tomorrow, they forget you.
That sounds a little scary.
Yes, because fame is not stable.
But still, many people chase fame.
Because attention feels powerful and exciting. Now, let's talk about honor.
Yes, honor is very interesting and very important. Honor means respect, values, and integrity.
It means doing the right thing, even when nobody's watching.
I feel honor is very important in life.
Yes, because it defines your true character.
Money can come and go,
Fame can also come and go.
but honor stays with you.
Yes, it becomes part of who you are.
Now I feel confused because all four are important.
Yes, that is why this question is so powerful.
So maybe the answer is not choosing one thing. Maybe the answer is finding balance between all of them.
That is a very deep idea. Now, let us ask our listeners.
Yes, what do you think is most important in life? Love, money, honor, or fame? Take a moment and think about your answer slowly, because your answer shows what you truly value in life.
Yes, and your values decide many of your real-life choices every day.
And those choices become important when different things in life conflict with each other.
That's right. And when life becomes complicated, these questions feel even more real.
Let's imagine a situation together to understand this better.
Okay, I'm ready. I like real-life examples.
Imagine you have a job that pays very well,
That sounds good already. Most people will like that.
but you don't enjoy the job at all. You feel stressed, tired, and mentally disconnected.
Yes, that is very real. Money is good, but the feeling is not good.
Now imagine another option, a simple job with less money, but you feel peaceful and happy.
That changes everything. Now it's not so simple anymore.
So the question becomes, what do you choose in that situation? Money or happiness? That is a very difficult choice.
Because both options have value in different ways.
Yes, money gives comfort and safety in life, but peace of mind gives emotional happiness and balance.
So one supports your life and the other supports your feelings.
Now let's make it even more complex.
Okay, I think it's going to get harder.
Imagine you become very famous, and many people know your name.
That sounds exciting at first, like a dream for many people.
People follow you, admire you, and constantly talk about you.
Yes, but that also means no private life anymore.
Exactly, because you also lose privacy and personal freedom.
People may judge you and watch everything you do.
So again, the question becomes fame or peace?
Honestly, that is a very stressful choice.
Now let's think about another situation.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
You can earn more money, but only if you do something unethical.
Now honor becomes very important in this situation.
Yes, so the question is money or honor?
That is where your character is really tested.
Because it's easy to talk about values, but difficult to follow them in real life.
Very true. Real life pressure changes everything.
Jack, let me ask you something honestly.
Sure, go ahead and ask.
Have you ever chosen comfort instead of personal growth?
Yes, many times actually.
I think most people do that at some point.
And later, you usually regret it a little.
Because deep inside, you know you could have done better.
Yes, that feeling stays with you.
Now, I want to ask another important question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you think people chase money because they truly need it?
Or because society tells them they should have more.
That is a very powerful question.
I think it is actually both reasons.
Explain your thinking.
At first, people need money for survival and basic needs.
Yes, that is completely true.
But later, it becomes about status and comparison with others.
So people start wanting more and more.
Not because they need it, but because they see others having it.
And that comparison can be very dangerous.
Yes, because you lose your own direction in life.
Now let's come back to love again.
Okay, love is always a big topic.
Do you think love alone is enough for a good life?
That is not an easy answer at all.
Many people say love is everything.
But real life is much more complicated than that.
Yes, because love also needs support and stability.
Like understanding, effort, and responsibility.
So maybe love is important, but not the only important thing.
Exactly. It has to work with other parts of life.
Now I'm starting to see a clear pattern in all of this.
What pattern do you see?
All these things, money, fame, love, honor, are important.
But the real key is balance between them.
Yes, because too much focus on money removes peace.
Too much focus on fame removes privacy.
Too much comfort can stop your growth.
And without honor, you lose your true self.
That last one is very powerful.
Because it is the most important foundation.
Now let's ask our listeners again.
Yes, we really want to hear their thoughts.
If you had to choose today, what would you choose?
And more importantly, why would you choose it?
Because your reason shows your mindset clearly.
And your mindset shapes your future life.
I feel like this conversation changes the way we think.
Yes, it makes you reflect on your own priorities.
That's the goal. Not just to learn English, but to see life in a different way.
Yes, because learning is not only about language, it is also about thinking.
Because in real life, we usually don't stop and reflect on these deep questions.
No, we just keep moving, working, studying, and chasing goals every day.
Without really asking ourselves what we are actually chasing in life.
That's a very important question, but most people never pause to ask it.
So let me ask you one final question, but in a deeper way.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
Imagine your life 10 years from now.
That feels far, but also very real.
What would make you feel truly satisfied with your life?
That is a beautiful question. Take a moment to think.
I think I would want a life where I feel peaceful.
Peaceful is a strong word, not just successful.
Yes, because success without peace doesn't feel complete.
It can feel empty, even if everything looks good from the outside.
I would also want meaningful relationships in my life.
People you love and people who truly support you.
So, love is still very important for you.
Yes, love is extremely important in my life.
What about money? Do you think about it?
Of course, I want enough money to live comfortably.
So, money is necessary, but not the only goal.
Exactly. Money is a tool, not everything in life.
And what about fame?
Honestly, I don't think I need fame in my life.
Why do you feel that way?
Because I don't want my happiness to depend on other people's attention.
That's a very mature answer.
Thank you. I just want stability in my life.
And what about honor or values?
That is completely non-negotiable for me.
Non-negotiable is a strong word.
Yes, it means I will never compromise my values.
Even for money or success?
Yes, even for money or success.
That is a powerful mindset.
Because in the end, you have to live with yourself.
That line really hits deeply.
Because it is the truth of life.
Now I will answer the same question.
I'm curious to hear your answer.
For me, balance is everything in life.
Can you explain what balance means to you?
I don't want only money, only love, or only success.
So you want a combination of everything.
Yes, but in the right proportion.
That sounds very realistic and wise.
I want enough money to feel secure.
That is a basic need for stability.
I want love so I feel emotionally connected.
Of course, emotional connection is very important.
I want honor so I feel proud of myself.
That gives you self-respect and dignity.
And maybe a little recognition, not full fame.
So appreciation, not extreme attention.
Yes, because fame feels too heavy sometimes.
It can bring pressure and stress.
Exactly. That is why I prefer balance.
I think we are arriving at an important conclusion.
Yes, there's no single perfect answer for everyone.
It depends on each person's life and values.
And also on their experiences and priorities.
That is why everyone's answer can be different.
Now let's ask our listeners to reflect on this.
Yes, this question is for you.
Think carefully and honestly about your life.
Not what others expect from you,
Not what society tells you to choose.
but what you truly feel inside.
Because your answer will guide your decisions.
And your decisions will shape your future.
Let's give them a small exercise.
Good idea. Something practical.
Write down 4 things: love, money, honor, fame.
Then rank them from most important to least important.
After that, ask yourself why you chose that order.
Because your why shows your true mindset.
And your mindset shapes your entire life direction.
Yes, that is very powerful to realize.
There's no wrong answer here.
But every choice comes with consequences.
If you choose money only, you may lose relationships.
If you choose fame only, you may lose privacy.
If you ignore honor, you may lose self-respect.
And without love, life can feel empty.
So every choice has a cost in life.
And awareness helps you make better decisions.
Now let's end with some important vocabulary.
Yes, let's quickly review the key words.
Priority means something very important in your life.
For example, family can be your top priority.
Balance means having the right mix of things.
Like balancing work and personal life.
Value means what is important to you.
Like honesty being one of your values.
Fame means being widely known by many people.
And that is our final word for today.
Fame means being known by many people.
For example, someone can become famous after a big success in life.
Yes, and fame can also bring both success and pressure at the same time.
That means it looks exciting, but it can also feel stressful.
Now let's repeat the word together. Fame.
Fame.
Next word is honor.
Honor means having strong moral values and doing the right thing.
For example, he chose honor instead of choosing money.
Or you can say, living with honor means behaving in a respectful and honest way.
Now let's repeat the word. Honor.
Honor.
Next phrase is make a choice.
To make a choice means to decide between two or more options.
For example, you have to make a choice between comfort and growth.
That means you must decide what is more important for you.
Now repeat it. Make a choice.
Make a choice.
Next word is consequences.
Consequences are the results of what you do or decide.
For example, every decision in life has consequences.
Or you must accept the consequences of your actions.
Now repeat it. Consequences.
Consequences.
And the final word is meaningful.
Meaningful means something that has deep value or real purpose.
For example, she wants to live a meaningful life.
Or meaningful relationships are more important than fame.
Now repeat it. Meaningful.
Meaningful.
And these were today's key words and phrases.
Yes, and they help us talk about life, decisions, and real values.
Before we end, ask yourself one important question.
What kind of life do I really want to build?
And then start building that life step by step.
Small steps every day make a big change over time. Take care of yourself and always choose wisely.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.